Here are 10 facts about adulting that many people can relate to. 1. Financial responsibility. Adulting means managing your own money, budgeting, paying bills, saving for emergencies, and often dealing with debt, student loans, credit cards, etc. 2. Time management. You have to balance work, social life, personal time, and responsibilities like chores and errands without anyone guiding your schedule. 3. Career focus. Navigating career growth, job changes, and professional development is a key part of adulting. This includes dealing with work stress, office politics, and balancing ambition with life. 4. Household chores. Maintaining a clean, functional living space is part of adulting, whether